last one over?
Oh, this is quite inexplicable, this feeling right now. It's just too much euphoria. It feels surreal from the position we were in when Yuvraj got out with the run rate climbing. And this guy Kohli, he's from another planet. He's totally from another planet.
Kohli has been one who's never lost character. He's been consistent. So how do you see that helping India's victory right on?
We really can't overstate his worth enough. You can't praise him enough. Like he said, he's from another planet. He's oblivious to pressure. I think he's learned a lot about that from Dhoni. Dhoni has obviously lost his ability to clear the boundary at will. But Kohli is just playing flawless cricket. He's playing pure cricketing shots. And when he does that, the opposition knows that they're down out and they just lose their mojo. You know, it's more than just runs what he brings to our team. And fear in the long run is that we are too dependent on him. Other batsmen really need to step up their game. A special mention to our death bowling. It was just fantastic. And otherwise, I think we would have lost this game without Bumrah and Naira bowling so well at the end.
Do you think bowling or batting saved us today?
No, actually batting. Batting saved us.
See, single guy's batting. Virat Kohli. Everything he touched turned gold. Pure gold. I mean, as he said, he's from Exo Universe, possibly, not even Exo Planet. I mean, this guy is about 51 ball, 82 runs. I mean, that's incredible, man. We were sitting, actually, we knew that they were the best finishers, but I'm not sure everybody here will have shared the same opinion when we were down with Yuvraj's wicket. But this is just unbelievable. As you said, we are just euphoric. We don't know. It's just raining, man. Yeah.
The last time India won was several years ago. So, do you see India clinching that title once again?
New Zealand will be a task. Before that, it's West Indies. We have Ashwin for Gale, so it's all right. We are winning this.
We have a local boy for Gale.
We have a local Madras boy.
We should take it one game at a time, as the cliche goes. But deep inside, we know that this is one of our best chances to win. Could possibly be Dhoni's last World Tournament because the next World Cup is in 2019. We hope not, dearly hope not. But in all likeliness, this will be his last World Big Tournament as captain, and he would love to sign it off with Dhoni. I would love to see Dhoni finishing it off with a 6 again and just walking.
And
around.
mostly under pressure, Virat Kohli bats awesome. Actually, he's the best batsman right now.